7 hair care hacks to get rid of your everyday hair-related problems like dandruff and itchy scalp, extreme hair fall and breakage, hair thinning or hair thickness, curly, dry, and damaged hair, and many more. So click on the thumbs up to support me and let's get started. Hack number 1, how to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp. This is the quickest way to get rid of your dandruff instantly. Take a bowl, add half a cup of water. Next, add 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and squeeze the juice of a lemon in and mix it well. Now, transfer this to a spray bottle and start spraying this directly to your scalp. Spray this very evenly all around your scalp, and once you are done, give it a nice 2-minute massage and wrap a towel all around. Exactly after 45 minutes, you have to wash your hair using a mild sulfur-free shampoo, and after the very first use, you will get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp. For people with extreme dandruff, they could use this once a month, but only if required. Hack number 2, how to change your super curly, damaged, and frizzy hair to straight, silky, shiny, and tangle-free hair. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of Keratin hair mask. This mask is easily available online or in beauty stores. Next, add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Then, I am adding 1 tablespoon of Keratin conditioner. Lastly, I am adding around 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Now, mix it really well and it is ready to use. Remember, we have to apply this mask on already shampooed damp hair. So, divide your hair into proper sections and start applying this mask on small sections. Comb and emulsify while applying. This helps to enter the mask into your cuticles, and once the application is done, leave the mask in your hair for 25 to 30 minutes. And after that, wash your hair with just water. As I told you, we have to shampoo before. Now, dry your hair and you will be surprised after watching the results. Enjoy your straight hair look. For permanent results, add this treatment to your hair care routine and use it twice a month. Hack number 3, how to cover your white or gray hair, or how to dye your hair naturally and also make them super shiny. So take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of argan oil conditioner or any good quality keratin conditioner. Next, I am adding coffee powder to the hair conditioner. Next, I am adding freshly brewed coffee, but a cooled one. Next, I am adding 1 teaspoon of cacao powder. Friends, it is not cocoa powder, it's cacao powder. Lastly, add 1 capsule of vitamin E. This adds that extra shine to your hair. Now, mix it really well until everything looks dissolved or starts looking like a hair dye cream. Once it's done, start applying this to your hair properly and evenly. Apply on fine sections and emulsify properly. Once the application is done, leave it in for 50 minutes and then wash your hair. See, you will get the same results after using this. You will love the shine. For people with a lot of gray hair, use this 2 times a week as it has no side effects. Hack number 4, how to stop hair fall and hair breakage. So, to stop hair fall instantly, take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Next, I am adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Lastly, I am adding 2 capsules of vitamin E. Now, mix it really well and transfer it into any airtight container. You can easily store this serum for the next month or so. Take some serum on your finger, like this, and apply this directly to your roots, meaning your scalp. Give a nice 4 to 5 minute head massage and leave this on overnight. Wash your hair in the morning. Do this every day before bedtime, and in just 1 week, you will get rid of your hair fall and breakage. Hack number 5, how to get rid of oily hair. To tackle this problem, we will have to stop the production of excess oil from the scalp, and for that we need just 1 ingredient. Whenever you are shampooing, just take the quantity of shampoo you use regularly to wash your hair in one hand, and now squeeze the juice of a lemon, like 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice are more than enough. Next, dilute with water and mix. Now shampoo your hair with it, like normally, with no complicated processes. And even after the very first use, you will notice the difference. Add this to your daily routine and use once a week and you will get permanent rid of oily hair. How to get instant volume and bouncy hair. So, to get instant bounce and volume like the blow dry, you need to flip your head upside down and start brushing your hair properly. Remove all the tangles and apply some serum. Now flip back and enjoy. To hold this volume look, you can also use hairspray. Go have fun and enjoy your day. Yay! How to remove head lice instantly. To remove head lice permanently, take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of jamba oil, also known as taramira oil in Asian countries. Then add a few drops of tea tree oil. Now mix it and it's ready to use. Now apply this oil only to the scalp using the fingertips. And this strong oil kills the head lice instantly on the spot. It's very effective. Leave the oil on your scalp for 1 hour and after that shampoo and you are done. Just one use is enough to get rid of head lice problems permanently.